with you. Today we are going to play with our Play-Doh.
Aarib, what we have now?
We have these colors.
Oh, Play-Doh of different colors.
Yes.
Shaheer, what do you have?
It is different colors.
Different colors. Okay, what will you make with these Play-Dohs?
Open it.
Okay, first we will open it. Yes, Shaheer, you are right.
Bubble roll it.
Okay. Now, what are you going to make? A happy face?
Yes, Bubble.
Okay, you have to first roll it with rolling pin.
Okay, Aarib will make a happy.
Yes, you also make happy face. But where is your rolling pin? Where is it? Oh, now roll it. Roll it. Roll it hard like this. I will catch.
Eyes for your face.
Yes. And a mouth like this.
Yes. Okay, here, take it. Put one eye here.
See, Mama.
Here, Arif. Here, yes, there. And another here. Here, here, take it. Take it.
Shaheer, take it.
Yes. Now we are going to make shapes. Take
Okay,
this and do
this
it like
is your
this.
angry.
Wow, that's great. You are doing a great job. No. Which one you will put here? With the big line. Yes.
What have you
did a
made?
Great job.
What is this?
What is this?
Rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Very good. Now what you want to make?
Aarib, I think we should do numbers.
Yes, numbers. Which one?
Okay. Now you write with Play-Doh. Okay. You have to take. First you have to take and make it like it look like one. Okay. Now put it here. Yes. Very good. Now you have to make this small.
A little slanting line.
Little slanting line with this.
On the right, Mama.
Yes.
On the right.
Now you have to make this slipping line here.
Big.
Yes.
One. Great.
Yeah.
Two. Dear Mama.
Well done, Shaheer. You are doing great job.
Mama,
Okay.
take of these.
From here, start from here. Yes. Yes. Very good. Is either side? Yes. Now press it here. Yes. Like this. Yeah.
Aarib, it's so nice.
Okay, now you have to start here and then go like this on this black line and make a circle like with this. Okay, so take this one. Very good. You did a great job, Arif.
Yes. Now
Now?
done?
Yes.
Now done?
Just
I think it's enough for
7.
today. Okay, 7. Now what is this?
7.
Yes.
I think it's enough today.
It's enough for today.
Baba?
Now I will ask Shaheer to do something. Okay.
ABCD, I think.
Okay. Wait. Now Shaheer will write something. Okay, Shaheer. You have to make a circle with the dough. Okay. I am making a circle. Come. Take this. Yes. Put it here. Put it here. Where is my finger? Yes. Press it with the other hand. Press it with the other hand. Yes. Press it. Press it here. Here. Yes. Yes.
Perfect.
Great. It's broke. It's okay.
But Shaheer, you did a great job.
You did a great.
I think it's enough today. I am tired. We have to go on cycling outside. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Have fun. See you in next video.
आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर करें। हमारा चैनल भी ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि आपको टाइमली अपडेट्स मिलते रहें।